Hello online world! Welcome back again to our quick editing tutorial. For this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove backgrounds in Microsoft Word. So it is easy. You open your Microsoft Word and let's insert the picture that we wanted to remove a background. Click pictures and look for the pictures that you want to edit. Here we have it. And there we go. We are going to look for the format. So, kadalasan is automatically napupunta tayo sa button ng format pag nag-open tayo ng picture. So, remove background. Click remove background. So, here, may mag-pink yan. We can mark areas to be removed or mark areas to keep. So, if meron tayong pwede i-retrieve ng mga parts sa picture, so, i-mark lang natin yan entirely para di yun masali sa pag-remove natin until makompleto natin yung picture na ready na siya ma-crop. Ayan, enter, press enter, and there you have it. You're ready with your picture without the background. It's ready in PNG file. You can save it in PNG file. It's easy in Microsoft Word. No other software to use. Thank you so much for watching and kita-kita tapuhon.